Innit is a contraction of the question, isn't it? So it is actually a contraction of a contraction. This is a uniquely British word. It is a common way to make any sentence a question. I'm American, so I don't say innit. I always say isn't it. This is a negative question form, which has a very specific meaning. We use the negative question form when we want to confirm information that we think we already know. For example, if I say, "Today is your birthday, isn't it?" This means I think it is your birthday, and I am just confirming to be sure. If I use a standard question form, "Is today your birthday?" this means I don't know. So often it is better to confirm information that you think you know, rather than to say that you don't know. This is when we use isn't it, or in England they say innit. This is a non-standard contraction, so it is not something that we write down in any formal circumstances. You could write it down in the form of a text message or in an online post, but you would never write it down in any kind of formal setting. You are probably already familiar with some other non-standard contractions, such as wanna, gonna, or gimme. Innit is in this same category of informal language. Here are some examples of innit in real use. In the legendary movie Lock, Stock, and Two Smoking Barrels, the character Eddie is a poker player and attends a secret poker game in a boxing gym. When he enters, he finds it a bit strange and dramatic.
An orangutan in
Don, Phil. It's a bit dramatic, isn't it? Is this supposed to be symbolic?
Apparently it's for security.
Yeah? I'd have bought me gloves if I'd have known.
In this next clip from Kingsman: The Secret Service, a group of trainee spies each have to choose a puppy to train with. One of them chooses a pug, but doesn't know it.
A poodle.
What? They're gun dogs. Oldest working breed. Easy to train. A pug.
It's a bulldog, innit? It'll get bigger though, won't it?
And in this last clip, from the brilliant film Paddington, a security guard attempts to flirt with a cleaning lady by asking her about the weather.
You before, have I?
No, that's right. I'm new.
Thought so. Lovely day, innit?
Unusually hot.
Yeah.
So there you have it. Innit is a very British, very common way to make a question when we think we know the answer, but we just want to confirm or find out what other people think.